Octopuses have several distinguishing features that can help identify them. 1. 8 arms. Octopuses are named for their 8 arms, which are lined with suction cups that allow them to grasp and manipulate objects. 2. Lack of a shell. Unlike many other mollusks, octopuses do not have a hard external shell. Instead, they have a soft body that can change shape and texture to blend in with their surroundings. 3. Large head. Octopuses have a large, bulbous head that contains their brain and eyes. Their eyes are highly developed and can see in color. 4. Beak-like mouth. Octopuses have a sharp, beak-like mouth that they use to bite and tear their prey. 5. Camouflage abilities. Octopuses are masters of camouflage and can change the color and texture of their skin to blend in with their surroundings. Some species can even mimic the texture of rocks or coral. 6. Ink sac. Octopuses have an ink sac that they can use to release a cloud of dark ink to confuse predators or escape from danger. Overall, octopuses are unique and fascinating creatures that can be identified by their 8 arms, lack of a shell, large head, beak-like mouth, camouflage abilities, and ink sac.